Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to highlight a paragraph in Microsoft Word document like this. So to highlight a paragraph, just select your paragraph. Now here click on this drop down and select your desired color to highlight it. Most of case people using the yellow color to highlight. Also you can add some different color. It's depend on you. Select it. Now here select any color like this. So this way you can highlight a paragraph. And similarly you can highlight a text or sentence. So select your text or sentence, like you want to highlight this text, select it and click on it. So thanks for watching and share, like and subscribe this channel. This is the short and basic video to learn Microsoft Word.